Hi there. In today's video, we will talk about how to install Power BI Desktop on your system. So, in order to install Power BI Desktop version on your system, the first thing that you need to do is go to any uh, internet browser or your search engine, and then you need to key in Power BI, Power BI Desktop download and press enter. Depending on your system, depending on your internet speed, in couple of seconds you will find the search results. Here you need to go to the very first link, that is downloads Microsoft Power BI. We will share the link in our description as well, so if you wish you can directly access by clicking on the link provided in the description. Once you will click on this, a website something like this will open. In this website, you need to scroll down a little bit and go to advanced download options. Once you will click on this link, the window something like this should come up on your system. Here, you need to enter one detail, that is in which language you want to download the Power BI desktop setup file. By default, it will be English, and for now, we will just keep it as English only. And we will just click on download button. As soon as you will click on download button, a pop-up window or a dialog box, something like this will open. Here, we basically need to select that what type of uh, uh, operating system we are having, or what type of setup we need to have on our system. So here it's Power BI Desktop 64-bit setup file, and this is normal. So now in order to find out that which file will be more compatible or which will work smoothly with your system, you can go ahead and check what type of system you have. So in order to do that, what we will do is we will simply go to control panel, and in control panel, we will go to systems and securities. And in that, we will click on system. The moment you will click on the system icon, here you will see something like this, which is system type 64-bit operating system x64 based processor. So when we read this word 64-bit operating system, that suggests us that the file which will be compatible, or which will work smoothly on your system is this, which is x64.exe. So we will select this, and then again we'll click on download button. So the moment you will click on this, the downloading process for the executive file or the setup file for Power BI desktop will get start downloading. Depending on your system, depending on the internet speed, this may take uh, from few seconds to couple of minutes. So let's wait for the file to get downloaded. Now that our file has been downloaded, we will go to downloads, and here you can see the Power BI 64-bit setup is available. To continue the process of setting up this on system, just double click on this and let the program start. Once the program is launched, a dialog box something like this will appear. Here again, it will ask you for the language in which you want to set up the Power BI desktop version. So for now, we will just leave it like that, which is English, which has been selected by default. Now we'll click on next. It will ask you for permissions to make changes to your system. So obviously you will have to give the permission by clicking on yes. Now the setup is in progress. Here on this dialog box, you just need to click on next and move further. Here it will show you the license agreement. Just accept the license agreement by putting a tick in the checkbox and click on next. Here it will show you the default path where the program files related to Power BI desktop version will get stored. If you want to change, you can click on change and then you can browse where you want to save. Otherwise, you can simply click on next and proceed further. And this is the window or the dialog box where we will actually start the installation process. Till now, we were just providing the basic information to our system. And now in order to start the installation, we will just click on install and we will have to wait for couple of minutes. Again, depending on your system, depending on the speed of your system and other configuration, it may take anywhere between uh, 1 to 5 minutes. So we will have to wait patiently for the installation to get completed. Once the installation is complete, a dialog box similar to this will appear and you just need to click on finish. And once the installation is complete, the system will automatically open the Power BI opening window. So this is the Power BI opening window, and you can also see the icon of Power BI desktop appearing here. So these are the simple steps that you need to follow to install the Power BI. Thanks for now. Stay tuned for more.